वेलकम बैक टू अर्चना जी's किचन। आज हम देखेंगे वो रेसिपीज़ जिसको हम बड़े आसानी से बना सकते हैं और मेरा ये मानना है कि हेल्दी इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू टेस्टी, पर अर्चना जी इज़ आउट टू डिस्प्रूव मी। वो कहती है चलिए मैं आज आपको बताती हूँ कि हाउ हेल्दी इज़ इक्वल टू टेस्टी। There goes the pan.
Yeah, it's a little too huge, but I guess
आपने इतनी टिक्कियाँ जो बताई, ये कौन सी किस चीज़ की टिक्की बनाने वाले हैं?
these are Dr. Geeta. I call them black chana kacha kela kebabs. So these are the closest. Young kids enjoy it a lot,
Okay.
and even like as coming back to our original topic of during cancer treatment for prevention as well as during, as well as as well
prevent recurrence also.
and prevent recurrence. See, it's got boiled black chana, boiled kacha kela.
अच्छा,
And while boiling the chana, what I do is I put all those whole spices like badi elaichi, your cinnamon, your long, black pepper and everything. So the entire when the chana gets boiled, it has all the flavor incorporated into
so
it.
it is in the pan.
In that pani. And I have done it on that silbatta,
अच्छा, जो कि आजकल कोई नहीं करता।
जो कि कोई नहीं करता है। और
अब तवा गरम हो गया तो मैं तेल डालने वाली हूँ।
हाँ,
मुझे भी
please.
लगे कि मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ।
oh yes, आप
So is that enough? So
no,
this is-
we don't put the entire. We just a few. Thank
Okay,
you.
एक, दो,
So what I normally do is one.
चार।
Bas. So half teaspoon per kebab proves to be enough. And this is a granatium pan. This is not a non-stick. It is that it has got a base of aluminium, but this has got granite pressed on it.
Okay.
So the whole idea is that mostly since aluminium is the best conductor of heat, one of the best ways, so all utensils do have a base of aluminium. But then when you have this granatium pressed on it, granite pressed on it, it makes sure that the aluminium doesn't enter into the food. That is the whole idea. And the one thing which we all need to really, जब हम बहुत सारा use करते हैं उसमें छेद आ जाते हैं, चाहे कुकर हो चाहे कोई भी चीज़ हो, so that is the time to discard that utensil. Because
जो कि हम लोग कभी नहीं करते।
कभी नहीं करते, जैसे हमने अगर लिक्विड विम भी यूज़ किया, so that vim will enter into the serrations, and when we cook the food then it comes out and gets mixed in. So these are small little things which make
तो the utensil in which we cook food, we store food, all is very important.
prime
as
importance.
well.
Oh yes, it is. We spend a lot of money on eating organic, but then we have these chemicals entering through our
Food, yeah.
To our
So
food.
It's very important to
Yeah.
have the right utensil in which you cook, which does not leach any
leach out.
chemical
Yes,
into the
yes,
food.
yes. That's most important. And now I have something else for you.
You are full of
Again.
interesting things. So what? I would call it aloo, but I'm sure it is not aloo.
It is. और आलू भी इतना बड़ा दुश्मन नहीं जितना उसको हम बना देते हैं ना. So because for me, I'll tell you later that how is the best way to use potato. Now this is a sweet potato, shakarkandi.
Okay.
And winters, I love winters because of variety of food that you can eat.
तो शकरकंदी की टिक्की बन रही है।
ये शक्करकंदी की टिक्की है और इसमें some boiled बाजरा. आज मैंने बाजरे की खिचड़ी बनाई.
Okay.
So which had 80% of bajra and about 20% of broken rice.
Okay.
So I had it with my dal. This is the best way to have bajra khichdi is with patli kadhi, Gujarati kadhi.
Okay.
So now this has got bajra, it has got adrak, hari mirch. Bajra I have used to bind the shakarkandi. So shakarkandi has been boiled and this can be used exactly the way with that potato tikki.
तो हम लोग की ये गलतफहमी है ना कि शकरकंदी इज नॉट गुड।
ओह।
कहते हैं शकरकंदी खाने से शुगर बढ़ जाएगा, जबकि असलियत ये है कि खाने से शुगर नहीं बढ़ता। किस वजह से बढ़ता है अर्चना जी?
See, it is the total quantity of carbohydrate intake. Fine.
Right.
So ultimately, even if see, the only difference is when we take refined sugars, then they enter our bloodstream very, very fast, and they spike up our insulin levels. Now, this shakarkandi has got very good fiber, calcium, iron, lot of antioxidants, and with the bajra, you are getting a whole dose of fiber, good protein. And when you use it like use it with कर्ड एंड आप इसमें भुना जीरा डालिए, अदरक, हरी मिर्च डालिए, नींबू डालिए. एंड मैंने आज तो इमली की चटनी बनाई हुई है, बट नॉर्मली व्हाट आई डू इज आई मेक दैट खजूर, किशमिश, मेथी एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ चटनी.
ऑल वेरी हेल्दी.
ऑल वेरी हेल्दी. तो अगर आपने 2 टिक्की भी खा ली या 2 कबाब भी खा लिए, So you're really done.
You
It's
get
like a
your
small
energy.
meal. Yeah.
It's a small meal.
It's a small meal for during chemotherapy. Everything is cooked. There's garlic inside the kebabs. There's those whole spices which are such powerhouses of antioxidants.
Excellent, excellent. So that's what we want to hear.
Yeah,
Yes, and it is easy to cook.
very easy. And this, these are things which we can pre-prepare and maybe have it.
जैसे मान लो कि कीमोथेरेपी होने वाली है, तो कीमोथेरेपी होने से 2 दिन पहले तो प्रिपेयर करके रख सकते
Oh,
हैं.
see, as long as we store it in a glass container, and once it's cooked, it comes back to room temperature, and then you keep it in the fridge. It is the temperature difference which encourages that bacterial growth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 दिन पहले बना लिया.
हाँ.
जिस दिन कीमोथेरेपी हुई दोपहर को अगर आ
Oh,
गए
yes.
तो ये बना लिया और
Yes,
खा लिया.
yes. So if you're having it as a meal, then you put some, A2 milk wala curd. Have it like a meal ki dahi wahi dali, saunt dali. You're just having like a snack with your tea, then you use green chutney.
Wow.
So that gives you a way of, amle ki chutney, gur dal liya, dhania, lots of jeera. I put a lot of jeera in my chutney. Jeera is very rich in calcium. It's all these little things add on to our nutrient intake through the day.
Perfect.
So Dr. Geeta, while these kebabs and tikki are getting cooked on slow fire, we can together assemble this salad, and while I just do this finishing touch to the dip.
Okay.
So this is
while you're doing that, I want to show how colorful this plate is.
Yeah.
And आजकल the concept is कि we have to bring more and more color into our plates.
Yes.
तो इसमें मेरे को जो दिख रहा है, there is carrot, cucumber, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper and beetroot, और यहाँ पे ये
Tomatoes
and
some broccoli and had some spring onion chopped, which I'll really have to think where I kept it.
Never mind.
Yeah.
And there is this dip that
Yeah.
looks very enticing.
So
इसमें क्या है?
this is hung curd, again with my A2 milk.
A2 milk, okay.
And this has got some chopped dhania, pudina, and we're going to add some spices. So if we add our Italian mixed herbs and some parsley, so it gets a typical.
ये oregano है
हाँ.
और ये multiple herbs है.
So multiple herbs, and there is some parsley.
Okay.
And I always say you really can't go wrong on all these things. Whatever, एक चम्मच डाल दो, कभी कम डाल दो, कभी ज़्यादा डाल दो, and you want to give it a typical desi Indian flavor to it. So we use black pepper, bhuna hua jeera,
yes.
and some adrak, hari mirch, and this has got very finely de-seeded green chilies.
Okay.
So green chilies are also excellent. They just
Anti-inflammatory.
होती हैं. They open up your sinuses when you have those. जैसे कहते हैं गोलगप्पा खा के बिल्कुल मुंह और नाक खुल गया. So your sinuses flow. All that is, your I say the lymphatic drainage हो रही. Clogging सब खत्म हो जाती. So I think I can. Probably we can start assembling our salad with all these beans. So totally your wish, whichever way you want to do.
So this is white lobia that
Yes.
we have here, and ये है
Black beans.
black beans. This is our rajma.
I can just hand you over
और
a
ये
spoon.
है काबुली chicken.
I think probably with the size of the bottles, you'll be more comfortable with these.
क्योंकि बच्चों को लगता है कि जो healthy खाना होता है,
हाँ.
that doesn't taste good.
Very true. See, health and taste both go hand in hand. As long as I earlier said, if even these plant-based foods, they are just bursting with flavors. And we add these spices, they just carry, they add that particular zing to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have to try this more regularly at home.
Yeah. And see, boiled white chana, जब हम बनाते हैं उसका hummus भी बहुत अच्छे से फिर you can make and store it for up to 2 to 3 days. The only difference is I barely put any olive oil in my hummus.
Is it?
So I don't use anything. I just use it when I have made it. I have stored it. I just use 1 teaspoon to glaze the surface.
Okay. It's not in the.
Not inside
in
it.
the substance.
हाँ. And see, tahini जो डलती है, which is made of til है. So what I do, I just use plain til.
Okay.
Til has got enough fat, and til is a powerhouse of calcium.
Okay.
So when you use til in plenty, so you make sure that your calcium levels are really taken care of.
So while Archana ji is getting her tikkis ready, and I am looking forward to eating this. There are a few more things that I'd like to introduce you to. अब ये देखिए, ये है बाजरे की खिचड़ी. इसमें बाजरा है और चावल है. बड़ा सिंपल सा खिचड़ी है और सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छा. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप मीठा नहीं खा सकते. तो अर्चना जी ने मुझे बताया है कि आप मीठा भी खा सकते हैं. तो वहाँ अगर शकरकंदी की टिक्कियाँ बन रही हैं तो ये शकरकंदी का हलवा भी बन सकता है ना. इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड ऑल्सो
जो हमारी बाजरे की खिचड़ी है ना, इसको नमकीन के तौर पे तो आप अपनी गुजराती कढ़ी के साथ खा लीजिए, और इसको कुक में अगर आप नमक ना डालें और इसको दूध में पका लें और गुड़ में
तो खीर बन गया.
खीर बन गई.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. तो मीठी चीज़ बन सकती है इसकी भी. और इसमें ये देखिए तिल के लड्डू. तिल जैसे अर्चना जी ने बताया इज़ अ पावर हाउस ऑफ कैल्शियम. बहुत कैल्शियम और आयरन की कमी होती है, वो पूरी कर देता है ये. तो ये सब कुछ है. तो इसके बारे में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, हम लोग ये सोचते बहुत हैं कि भाई खाने को कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया जाए, खाने को कैसे हेल्दी बनाया जाए. और आज तो मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि खाना बड़े आराम से हेल्दी बन सकता है, जैसे अर्चना जी ने हमें दिखाया. मैं भी कोशिश करूँगी ये सब करने की. बस मैं कहती हूँ कि टाइम लगता है, पर अर्चना जी कहती है नहीं टाइम नहीं लगता, लेकिन लगता तो ज़रूर है. लेकिन इट इज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ़ यू टू ट्राई. आप खासकर मेरे को अपने कीमोथेरेपी के जो मरीज़ हैं और जो मेरे चैम्पियंस हैं, मैं उनसे ज़रूर कहूँगी कि ये सब चीज़ें आप अपने घरों में भी ट्राई करिए. ये बहुत आसान है. सो एन्जॉय कुकिंग, एन्जॉय ईटिंग. आपको बिल्कुल कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना, ना तो आपके न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना है, ना एनर्जी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना है, और पोर्शंस भी छोटे खाने हैं. ये कितनी अच्छी बात है. सो हैप्पी ईटिंग and healthy eating. Bye for now.
Now, Dr. Geeta, this is a very, very wholesome plant-based. So you must have received some very wonderful bouquets, flower bouquets.
So this is not a bouquet. This is in place of a bouquet.
This place of a bouquet.
So this is so beautiful. See, there's so much of color, and these are all chemical free.
Yes, yes.
So if you want to gift somebody next time, remember, this makes for an excellent gift. This is what you should be gifting your loved one.